First, we have a new feature for students. The dashboard includes an enhanced view of the to-do list to help students manage tasks across all their courses. The list view displays all current courses in an agenda view. The dashboard loads to display the current date, though previous and future dates can be viewed by scrolling up and down the page. Items include icons to represent the item type and labels to display the item's status. The top menu includes a button to return to the current day, a tray for students to manually create to-do items for their to-do list as part of their personal calendar or a course calendar, an overview of all a student's current grades, and an alerts menu, which displays missing opportunities available to each student to help improve course grades. The list view also benefits instructors as they can add non-graded items to the to-do list. Both pages and non-graded discussions include a checkbox to add the item to the student's to-do list. When this checkbox is selected, the item displays in the student's list view dashboard as a to-do item. Second dashboard view is List View, which displays all course to-do items in an agenda view to help you easily manage tasks across all of your courses. List View opens to the current date. You can scroll up and down on the page to view past or future items. To quickly return to the current date, click the Today button. From List View, you can also add your own to-do items, view your current grades, and view the Opportunity Alerts menu, which displays all your missing assignments in one place to help you improve your grade. To-do items in the List View agenda display icons representing the item type, and graded items display points and due dates. You can also quickly view missing items and late items, as well as items with new activity, including new grades, new replies, and new feedback. You can navigate directly to a to-do item from the List View dashboard by clicking on the name of the to-do. You can also mark to-do items as complete by clicking the item checkbox. Completed items stay in your agenda so you can reference them at any time.
Finally, as an administrator, I can go into the account level settings and change the default view of all courses dashboards from card view to list view. This would affect every course in the entire account so that when students of the entire account log in, they will see the list view as the default view. Students will still have the option of switching to a card view, but when they first log into their dashboard, they will see the list view instead of the usual card view. We should do this if and when we decide to adopt the list view as the global view for students. Once you have decided, please let me know, and I will change this for the entire account.